I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt thicker full guide. Heat milk to 185 degrees F gently. Hold 5 minutes. Then cool to 110 degrees F before adding starter and incubating undisturbed for optimal structure and tang. Follow simple steps to thicken yogurt at home using reliable techniques. First, enrich milk with powdered milk for extra solids. Second, strain finished yogurt to concentrate texture. Third, consider a small amount of gelatin or agar for a firmer, sliceable result without changing flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort while you wait for yogurt to set. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If your yogurt turns out thin, don't worry, small tweaks help. Keep incubator temperature steady and avoid frequent temperature swings. Use a reliable starter and enrich milk with powder or cream. Straining yields immediate thickness, while stabilizers give lasting set without affecting taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.